So in this video, we will learn how to share a post from one Facebook page to another. So this is an amazing automation, guys. If you own multiple Facebook pages, this automation is for you. Suppose guys, you have to share a same post, a same image, text or video on your multiple Facebook pages. So the manual process is you have to manually share all of those posts. You have to manually create all of those posts on all the pages. But let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So using this automation, guys, what you have to do, you just have to create a new post, share a new post in one of your Facebook pages. And using this automation, you can automatically share this exact same post with same text, same image and same video on your other Facebook pages as well. On the other pages, a new post will be automatically created. So how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give your automation workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Facebook Pages Automation. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to get the details or the data of new post which we are sharing on our first Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we are going to share the same post as a new post on our multiple different Facebook pages as well. So let's begin. So here in trigger window, in choose app, search for Facebook pages. Select Facebook pages over here. And after that, in trigger event from the drop down, select new post because we want to get the new post details. Click on connect and select add new connection and click on connect with Facebook pages. Now you can see that because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect has detected the same account. We just have to click on continue and then we can see that our Facebook pages account or Facebook account gets connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here the first thing it asks us is the page, that from which page we want to get the new post details. So in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the Facebook pages associated with your Facebook account. So here you have to select your Facebook page. So guys, the Facebook page on which we will be working right now is named as Pabbly Tech. So we are going to select the same page over here in the drop down, Pabbly Tech. After this, it is asking us number of posts. So here we have to enter the total number of posts we want to get for every time we get the new post details. So here you can enter any number 5, 10, 20, 100. Right now, I just want to get the details of one single post, the recent post which we have selected or which we have shared. So just enter one. I'll just enter one over here and click on save and send test request. Now guys, when we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this is the response of the most recent post which I have shared on my Facebook page. So on my Facebook page, you can see that just now few minutes ago, I have shared a post. So this is the post which I have shared 29 minutes ago on my Facebook page. And here you can see that this is the caption and this is the image which I have posted. And in Pabbly Connect, guys, here you can see that we have received the same details. We have the same captions, mountains covered with snow under the stars. And when we will scroll down, we will get the URL of the image as well. This is the full picture URL. Copy it from here, go to a new tab, paste it, and here you can see that this is the same picture. So from our Facebook page, guys, we have received the new post details inside Pabbly Connect. Now we have to send these same details to our other Facebook pages so that automatically we can share these posts there as well. Now to do so, guys, you have to scroll down and come to this action window. Now here, guys, while creating or receiving the post details, we have three different conditions. First condition is if we share a photo post, a post with a photograph or image on our Facebook page. The second condition is the post we share with videos, and the third condition is a plain text post. For all of these three conditions, guys, we have to create three different routes in our automation workflow because we have three different actions for each kind of post for Facebook pages. Now, how you can create these kind of routes, these kind of branches or conditions in your automation workflow? Now, to do this, we are going to use a feature or module of Pabbly Connect that is called routers. So, using routers, we are going to create three different routes in this automation workflow. So, here in Action Step, guys, in Choose App, you have to select router over here. After selecting router, by default it has created two routes. We are just going to click on this add route button, and here you can see that we have three different routes. We are going to rename them. We are going to rename the first route as post with images. Just a second, post with images, update it. Then we are going to rename our second route as post with video. Okay, so this is our second route which we are going to set up, and the third route which we are going to create is text post. And then update it. So here we have created three different routes. Now we have to add the condition that on what condition, how Pabbly Connect will know that by what route we want to continue this automation workflow. For that, guys, here in the responses which you have received from Facebook of a new post, when we will scroll down, here you can see that there is a response named as attachment data type. This is the response of attachment data type, and in this response you can see that we have received photo. So it is telling us that the data type which we have received, the attachment which we have received, is a photo based attachment. So we are going to check for this response. On the basis of this response, what data we get over here, on that basis we are going to decide which route we have to take. For that, just scroll down, and to add this condition, for the first we are going to set up the route of post with image. Just click on this set filter and action step button, and here after that, here the first thing it asks us is the filter. What is the condition, on what basis Pabbly Connect will decide that by this route we have to continue the automation. So here in this filter, guys, in this select label, just click here, and in the drop down you will see all the responses which you have received from Facebook of a new post can be seen over here. Just scroll down to these responses and just select the response of post data type, attachment data type. Just select this response, and in equals to, in filter type we have to select equals to, and in value we have to enter photo. So we have added the condition that if this response is equals to photo, then the automation should be continued with this path. After this, just click on save and send test request, and because we have received a response of a photo with a post with the image, that's why here you can see that the response is showing that condition is true, that the condition which we have added is true. Now after this, after happening of this condition, after this condition being true, what is the next thing we want to do? The next thing which we want to do is to add an action step, and we want to share this same post on our Facebook page. For that, guys, what we have to do, here in choose app, search for Facebook pages. And then after selecting Facebook pages, in action event from the drop down, here you can see that three different action event. First one is the create page post, second one is the create page photo, and third one is the create page video. So this is the photo post. So just select create page photo as an action event, click on connect, and then select add new connection. Now here, guys, you have to connect your Facebook account on which you want to share this post, the Facebook page account on which you have to share this post. Just connect with Facebook pages, click on this connect with Facebook pages, and use the account. So I'm going to share the post on the same account, a different page but on the same account. That's why I have connected the same account over here. If you have made the connection, if you are also using the same account, you don't have to reconnect your Facebook account once again. You can just select your existing connection and then continue setting up your automation workflow. And after that, you can see that your Facebook page account will also get connected in Pabbly Connect once again. After this, here you have to select that on which Facebook page you want to share this post. So here in pages section in the drop down below, once again you can see a list of all the Facebook pages which you have. So the Facebook page on which in this video we are going to share this post is named as Rapid Tech Review. So we have to select the same page from the drop down. Rapid Tech Review. After selecting our page, it is asking us page access token. So you don't have to make any changes over here. It automatically detects the page access token, so just ignore it. And then it comes the photo URL field. So here, guys, in this section, we have to paste the same or map the same photo URL, image URL, which we have received of a new post in our trigger. So how you are going to map it? Just click on this field, and in the drop down below, you can see all the responses which you have received from Facebook page of a new post can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response of full picture URL. This is the response. Just select it and it will be mapped over here. After mapping this, the next thing it asks us is the description. That what will be the description, the message or the caption with this photo. So we have also received these details from Facebook. So from the drop down below, just select the response of message, just select it and map it over here. And after that, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that you have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the image whose link we have received over here in Pabbly Connect, basically the same post which we have shared on our Facebook page, first Facebook page, is now automatically shared on our second Facebook page as well. So let's check it. We'll go to our Facebook page. We are going to refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see that a new post is being shared just now on our Facebook page. And this is the same image with the same caption which we have shared on our first Facebook page over here while setting up this automation. Now this means guys, we have successfully created this route, this path that if we share an image or photo with caption on our Facebook page, then the automation will be executed by this path and the same action and the same photo and the same caption will be shared or posted on our another Facebook page. Now after this guys, we have created this step for this particular Facebook page. If you want to share the pages on multiple Facebook pages, like right now in this video, we are just sharing post on one Facebook page. But if you want, you can basically click on this add action step button and just keep on adding your Facebook pages on which you want to share the same post. So right now here you can see that we have successfully created the route for post with image. Just click on close. Now it comes post with video. So for that, first what we have to do, we have to share a post on our first Facebook page, that is Pabbly Tech, and then we have to get that response inside Pabbly Connect over here. So let's do this. We'll go to our Facebook page and then we have to just post a video. Just click on this get started button. And then here we are going to share this post. Just upload a video from our system. This is the video. Open it. And the title of this video, the caption will be a man walking towards waterfall. And that is it. Just click on post. And now we can see that this new video is being posted on our Facebook page. So let's refresh it once. And yes, here you can see that just now a new video has been published on our Facebook page. Now after this guys, after publishing this post, what we have to do, we will get back to Pabbly Connect and click on save and send test request. And after clicking on save and send test request, here we can see that we have received another response. And in this response, we can see the details of the same video post which we have shared just now on our Facebook page named as Pabbly Tech inside Pabbly Connect. So we have the same caption, man walking towards waterfall, which we have shared. Then we will scroll down and we will find the URL, the link of the same video which we have shared. So here we have a response named as attachment data media source. So this is the URL, just copy it, go to a new tab, paste this URL, and then you can see the same video over here. So in this way, we have received the video details, the details of a video post from our Facebook page inside Pabbly Connect as well. After this, we have to set up the second route for the same. And also guys, when we will scroll down, you can see that here in attachment data media type, here you can see that we have received the media type as video. So here for the second route of post with media, we have to do the same process which we have done for the post with image. Just click on set filter and action step, and here in filter section from the drop down from the responses of Facebook page, select this response which we have of video, attachment data media type. And if this response is equals to video, then automation will be executed via this route. Just click on save and send test request and it will give us the response that the condition is true because we have received or captured the response of a video post. After that, just click on this add action step button. Once again, we have to do the same process, search for Facebook pages. And this time, the action event of Facebook pages will be post create page video. And then just click on connect. We are just going to use the existing connection and click on save. And after connecting our Facebook pages account once again, select the same Facebook page that was Rapid Tech Review. And then after that, after connecting it, the page access token will automatically get detected. And here in video URL section guys, the response of a new video post which we have received from Facebook in our trigger step, we have to map that same response. Just click on this field, and from the drop down below from the responses of Facebook page, select the response of the video URL. Okay, so this is the response attachment data media source. Just select this response and map it over here. After that, just map the caption as well. So we have received the caption, this is it, this is the message, and map it. And then let's click on save and send test request. Now we can see that after clicking on save and send test request, here we have received some positive response. So guys, let's check our Facebook page. We'll go to a Facebook page. Let's refresh this page once as well. And yes, here you can see that the same video with the same caption which we have shared on our first Facebook page is been shared or has been posted on our second Facebook page as well. This means this route is also created successfully. Just click on close. Now every time we are going to share a video on our Facebook page with some caption, using this automation we can also post the same video with the same caption on our other Facebook pages as well. Now let's set up this automation workflow for our third condition, that if we just share a text post. Now guys, when we get or share a text post on our Facebook page and when we get the data for a text post inside Pabbly Connect, we won't be getting these details like the media type and other details. So we are going to set up the condition for the third route of the text post that if this data does not exist, then this automation workflow should be executed by this route. So if we share a photo post, we will get this data and the response will be photo. If we share a video post, we will get the details and the response will be video. But if we just share a text post, we won't be getting any kind of response in this label, particular label. So we are going to select a filter, a condition that if this data does not exist. So from this responses, from the same responses of video, we are going to select the label as attachment data media type, and the filter type this time will be does not exist. So if this data does not exist, automation workflow will be executed by this path. Just click on save and send test request. But because this time in this response, this data exists, that's why we can see that we have received a response which says this condition is false. So the automation workflow or this condition is correct. After that, just click on add new step button. And then here in choose app, once again search for Facebook pages. Select Facebook pages. And then in action event from the drop down, select action event as create page post. Click on connect and just select existing connection and click on save once again. So once again, we have connected our Facebook pages account with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, we have to select the page. So once again, follow the same process. Rapid tech review, select your page. And then we have to basically map the response of message over here. Just click here and from the Facebook pages response, select the response of message which we get or the caption which we get. Just select this response and map it over here. And then just click on save. Don't click on save and send test request, just click on save. And here we have successfully created the third route. So now you can see that we have successfully created this automation workflow, and using this automation, whenever we are going to share a new post on our Facebook page, using this automation, the same post, the same media and the same caption will be shared on our other Facebook pages as well. Right now in this video, we have just added one step of Facebook pages in the routers step over here, because we just wanted to share this page post content on one page. But if you want to share this on multiple pages, you just have to keep on adding the Facebook page step, connect your Facebook pages and select your Facebook pages over here and share the post on those pages as well using this automation. Now guys, after successfully creating this automation, what we have to do? We have to test this automation once in real time. For that, we will go to a Facebook page, the first Facebook page that was Pabbly Tech. And this time we are going to share a text post on this page. For example, this is a real-time test. And then just click on post. Now we can see that this text post, this simple one-line post is being shared on our Facebook page. And after sharing this, guys, we will see that using this automation within few minutes, like this trigger of Facebook pages tells that it takes time of 10 minutes. We will see that within 10 minutes, the same text post will be shared on our this Facebook page as well. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. And yes, after waiting for 10 minutes, let's get back to our Facebook page and refresh our Facebook page once. And yes, guys, here you can see that This same post, the same text which we have shared on our first page is being shared on our second page automatically within 10 minutes. Now this means the automation workflow which we have created is working perfectly fine. Now using this amazing automation guys, every time you share a new post on your Facebook page, automatically the same post using this automation will be shared on your multiple other Facebook pages as well. So not just these applications guys, not just Facebook automation, you can integrate multiple applications with Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestions, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.